introducing myself in just 3 minutes. Hello there. My name is Jayan Almashas. I'm 17 years old. I was raised and born in Luacbani, Pangasinan. We are 5 in our family. I have my mother, my father, my 2 older brothers, and me. My hobbies are playing cards with my family and also watching movies and watching K-dramas. My favorite movies are Miracle in Cell Number 7, Abay Babes, Love You to the Stars and Back, and many more. My favorite K-dramas are Queen of Tears, um, Goblin, Descendants of the Sun, Replay 1988, and True Beauty, and Twinkling Watermelon. So, there are also things I want to experience like go to museum, go to Hong Kong Disneyland, and I also want to experience being on a plane and travel around the world with my family, of course. There are also things that I don't want to experience like solving math, do the dishes, doing the laundry, cleaning the house. But I don't have choice, so I do it anyway. Studying at Bani National High School. I'm grade 11 student. My strand is Humes or the Humanities in Social Sciences. I chose this strand because I'm interested about culture, politics, literature, arts, and I'm curious about how our society works. My dream job when I was a kid is to be a doctor because people honor and respect their doctor and people see the doctors as their savior, and I also want to feel that way, and I also want to help them with their I want to help people with their illness, and I want to help them with my own little way. Now, I don't have a dream anymore. All I want is to be successful someday, and I want my family to have a long life because I want to give back all the love and sacrifices that they gave to me ever since I was a kid. In this video, I want to give you a 5 facts about myself. I am a part of Iglesia Ni Cristo Church. So, I am a certified kapatid. Second, my favorite color is pink. Third, my favorite food is spaghetti. Fourth, fourth, I am a cat lover and I have 4 cats. Their name is Jefferson, Jonathan, um, Robert, and Josephine. Last is my favorite Bible verse is Philippians chapter 4 verse 3. That's all. Thank you.